जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल है जी? उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम टू द मैथमेटिकल रूम, माय चैनल नेम। प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल टू वॉच द वीडियोस। आज जो हमने क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट किया है करने के लिए, दैट इज़ लाइक some expression is given and the variables we are using in this question, that x, y and z, and some values are given like x is equal to 3, y is equals to -1 and z is equals to -2. So we are going to simplify this algebraic expression by putting the values of x, y and z. So let's see what's gonna happen. So let's start to take this side as x cube y minus 2z divided by xz. So we have to simplify this expression by putting these values, where x is equal to 3, y is equal to -1 and z is equal to -2. So by putting the values of x, y and z, x, y and z, so we will get, let's see, that x cube is given. So x की जगह पे हम वैल्यू जो है वो 3 पुट करेंगे. So it means that 3 raised to power 3. Y is given as -1. So y की जगह पे आप -1 रख देंगे. Then -2 into z. Z is equal to -2. So z की जगह पे -2 आ गया. Then divided by xz. X is given as 3 and z is given as 2, -2. So after putting the values, we need to simplify of this expression, that 3 raised to power 3 means that 3 are multiplying by 3 times with each other. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 27 into -1, and then minus से मल्टीप्लाई होके प्लस हो जाएगा. 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 2s are 6, और ये -7 आपके वैसे ही आ जाएगा. 3 2s are 6. So 27 when we'll multiply with -1, that will become -27 plus 4 divided by -6. So in next step, that -27 and plus 4 will be subtracted with each other, but the sign will become with the higher value or with the biggest value. So 27 is 27 में -27 में प्लस 4 जब करेंगे तो आंसर जो है वो आपके पास माइनस में आएगा और साइन हमेशा बड़ी वैल्यू का आएगा. So -27 plus 4 will be equals to -27 में से 4 माइनस कर दें तो 23 आ जाएगा, divided by -6. ये माइनस माइनस से कैंसिल हो जाएगा और then the answer will be 23 divided by 6. So that's the evaluation of this expression when the values of x, y, and z are given. So we put the values of x, y, z in this expression, and then that's the process. We have simplified, and after simplification we got the answer 23 divided by 6. Let's see one more example similar to this question. So let's suppose I'm using this space to solve the next question. Let's see, the second example is equals to x square y cube minus 5z raised to power 4 divided by x, y, and z. So where x is given as 4, y is equals to minus 2, and z is equals to minus 1. So again, by putting the values of x, y, and z in this expression, or you can say the equation, that by putting the values of x, y, and z. So let's start by putting the values. x square है, x की square की जगह पे आप 4 put कर देंगे, then 4 raised to power 2. Then y cube, and y is given as minus 2, so minus 2 raised to power 3. Then that minus sign will become as it is, and then 5, and then z is equals to minus 1, so z की जगह पे minus 1 put करेंगे, और raised to power 4 divided by x, y, and z. These are multiplying with each other, so we will put the values by using the bracket sign. So x is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 2, and z is equals to minus 1. So that's the expression we have got after putting the values. So now the next step is to simplify by taking the powers. So 4 raised to power 2 means 4 is multiplying 2 times. So 4 4s are 16. And then minus 2 raised to power 3, that will become minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 will be equals to minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then this minus will become as it is, this 5, and minus 1 raised to power 4 means minus 1 is multiplied by 4 times, then minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. So that will become plus 1. But the simple rule, you can say that if any negative number will have the positive power, so that will become, the minus becomes in, or you can say that any negative number will have the even power in even number, so that will become plus, the minus will become in plus sign or positive sign. So minus raised to power 1 means that minus is multiplied by 4 times, so that will become plus 1. So divided by 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8 और माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होके प्लस हो जाएंगे। सो नीचे जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आपके पास 8 आ जाएगा। सो नाउ multiply by multiplying these numbers with each other, and then let's see what happens. So 8 16, 8s are 128 और ये माइनस वैसे ही साथ आ जाएगा। सो 16 8s are 128 and this minus will become with 128 and this minus 5 1s are 5 and divided by 8. So in our next step, two similar signs with two numbers will be always will be added with each other, but the sign will remain minus. So minus और माइनस दोनों प्लस हो जाएंगे और 128 में आप 5 जब ऐड करेंगे तो वो आपके पास -133 आ जाएगा divided by 8. So that's the simplest form that we have evaluate this expression by putting these values, and we got the answer -133 divided by 8. So hopefully you will understand these questions, that how can we find or how can we evaluate the given expression by putting the values, and then after putting the values we got the answer. So these are the two examples that I have given you in this video. So hopefully when you will see, you will understand the things, that how can the things will be simplified. Oh, अब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इंशाल्लाह अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दोबारा आपसे मिलते हैं। ओके जी, खुदा हाफिज़।